Welcome to our comprehensive review of the top shortwave radios of 2024. Today, we dive into the world of exceptional shortwave radio reception, exploring the Tecsun PL-990 digital Worldband AM/FM shortwave longwave radio, the Tecsun H-501 digital Worldband AM/FM shortwave longwave radio, and the Kaito KA-500IP-RED Voyager Solar or Dynamo AM, FM or SW NOAA Weather Radio. Stay tuned to discover the best picks for shortwave radio enthusiasts. Let's get started. Number 3. The Tecsun PL-990 Digital Worldband AM/FM Shortwave Longwave Radio by Tecsun offers an outstanding array of features that cater to both radio enthusiasts and casual listeners alike. Presented in a sleek black design, its portable dimensions of 7.5-inch length by 1.25 width by 4.5 height make it convenient for travel and outdoor use. This digital portable receiver provides extensive radio frequency coverage, including AM, FM, longwave, shortwave, and single-side band, ensuring access to a diverse range of broadcasts. Additionally, its built-in MP3 player with microSD input supports various audio formats such as FLAC, WAVE, APE, WMA, and MP3, with a SanDisk Ultra 16GB microSD card included for immediate use. Equipped with analog HiFi AM circuitry, triple conversion IF, and modern DSP digital demodulation technology, the PL-990 delivers exceptional reception sensitivity, selectivity, and anti-image interference capability across all bands. Its premium full-range 4 ohms 3-watt speaker, powered by a Class AB amplifier, produces crisp, dynamic, and distortion-free sound. For private listening, a 3.5mm stereo earphone jack is provided, with stereo earphones included. Convenience features abound, including an alarm clock with snooze function, a sleep timer of up to 120 minutes, USB audio input, external antenna input, 3.5mm audio output, and 3150 memories for easy station access. Moreover, the keylock function preserves settings, and undisclosed additional features await discovery by users. The radio is powered by a single 3.7V/2600 mAh 18650 Li-ion rechargeable battery with a built-in charger, ensuring prolonged usage without interruption. Overall, the Tecsun PL-990 is a versatile and high-performance radio that caters to the diverse needs of radio enthusiasts and casual listeners alike. Number 2. The Tecsun H-501 Digital Worldband AM/FM Shortwave Longwave Radio presents an impressive array of features suitable for both radio enthusiasts and casual users. Its sleek black design and portable dimensions of 11-inch length by 1.5 width by 6.5 height make it convenient for various settings. This digital portable receiver offers comprehensive radio frequency coverage, including AM, FM, longwave, shortwave, and single-side band. Additionally, it features an MP3 player with microSD input, supporting various audio formats such as FLAC, WAVE, APE, WMA, and MP3. A SanDisk Ultra 16GB microSD card is included for immediate use. Equipped with analog HiFi AM circuitry, triple conversion IF, and modern DSP digital demodulation technology, the H501 ensures enhanced reception sensitivity, selectivity, and anti-image interference capability across all bands. Its dual premium full-range 6 ohms/3-watt speakers, powered by a Class AB amplifier, deliver loud, rich, and distortion-free sound. Treble and bass controls allow for personalized audio adjustments. For private listening, a 3.5mm stereo earphone jack is provided, with stereo earphones included. Convenience features include an alarm clock with snooze function, a sleep timer of up to 120 minutes, USB audio input, external antenna input, 3.5mm audio output, and 3150 memories for easy station access. The keylock function preserves settings, and undisclosed additional features await discovery by users. The radio is powered by 2 single 3.7V 2600 mAh 18650 Li-ion rechargeable batteries with a built-in charger, ensuring uninterrupted usage. Overall, the Tecsun H-501 is a versatile and high-performance radio suitable for a wide range of listening preferences. Number 1. The Kaito KA-500IP Voyager Solar or Dynamo AM, FM, SW NOAA Weather Radio is an exceptional emergency preparedness tool designed to keep users informed and connected in any situation. Presented in a striking red color, its dimensions of 8.3-inch length by 2.3 width by 5.3 height strike a balance between portability and functionality, suitable for both indoor and outdoor use. This radio boasts 5-way power options, including AC, battery, hand crank, solar, and even computer power, ensuring reliable operation even in the absence of traditional power sources. With AM, FM, shortwave radio capabilities and 7 preset NOAA weather channels with alerts, users can stay updated on weather forecasts and emergency announcements. The radio's 180-degree adjustable solar panel maximizes exposure to sunlight for efficient charging, while the 5 LED reading lamp provides illumination in low-light conditions. The backlit frequency display enhances visibility, even in darkness. With its telescopic antenna, the KA-500IP ensures optimal signal reception for clear and crisp audio. Its rugged design makes it suitable for use in various environments, including camping, hiking, or during power outages. Weighing 1.8 pounds, this radio is lightweight and easy to carry. Its versatility and reliability make it an essential addition to any emergency kit or outdoor gear collection. In conclusion, the Kaito KA-500IP Voyager Solar or Dynamo AM, FM, SW NOAA Weather Radio is a dependable companion for emergency situations and outdoor adventures. Its multiple power options, comprehensive radio capabilities, and durable design make it a valuable tool for staying connected and informed in any circumstance.